Hello and welcome to Robotics with Om sir. So today in this video we'll see how to draw these kind of patterns using Scratch. So let's get started. Firstly open Mblock 5 application. Then here we have to add pen extension first. As we already know, to draw anything we need pen extension compulsory. So we have one more option that we can create blocks. Firstly, suppose we have to draw circle. So for circles, as we can see in this image, these all are circles, multiple circles in round fashion. So these circles are arranged in another circle. So means circle, firstly we have to write code for circle. Then we can repeat same code multiple times in circular fashion. Then we can draw these kind of shapes or patterns. So let's see. Firstly make a block. So I'll give block name code for code for circle. So firstly code for circle, we have taken one block code for circle. Then firstly put pen down. Okay, pen down or erase all we can take. So firstly put pen down, then take one loop. Repeat loop. So total 360 we have. So I'll write 636. Then from the motion turn and move. So turn 15 degree or 10 degree we can take and move 8 step. So this will draw circle for us. If I run this code, you can see it can draw a circle. But we need to draw this circle multiple times in different position. I mean here we have to start, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here. Then we have to repeat this code multiple times. For that we'll take one more control. So when green flag is clicked, then firstly erase all, erase all. When green flag click, then erase all, then again forever loop. So in forever do this thing, that is move and rotate. So we have to add move and then turn, move and turn. So move 40 steps, then turn 30 degree. Then we'll take block code for circle. Okay. So if I run this code now, so what will happen? We'll check. Okay. Like this, it is drawing, but we need different color for each circle. And again, there is one mistake here. From switching one circle to another circle, we have to do add pen up condition. So I'll stop this code now. So one thing as discussed, we have to add change pen color by 10, and one more thing is that we have to do pen up for each circle. So I mean if after drawing this circle, do pen up. So now if I will run this code, see, I'll make it large. So like this we can draw any color pattern, or we can change modify this code to draw same pattern in a multiple way. Like this, if I increase step or turn, Okay, one interesting thing is that if I change these steps like 40, in place of 40 I can write 50 or 60. So I'll write 50. See now. I'll place it here first. Now it will draw one circle with the radius of, sorry, by taking step 30. So this is difference between increasing steps and mm, decreasing steps. So now it will draw circles. See, but the design is different. Like this, we can draw circular designs using the code. Make a block, my block, using my block. So using block, I'll explain this code again. So to draw one circle, firstly I will do erase, add erase, pen erase all. Okay. So see, firstly we have taken this much of code to draw one circle, complete one complete circle. So this code will do draw one circle. So pen down, put pen down, repeat 36 time. Means total in we have 360 angle. Total in circle we have total 360 angle. So this total angle is of 360 degree. So we are taking 10 degree turn and then move 8 step. So to draw a circle, the step is that, see, move, then take 10 degree turn, then move 10 degree turn, move 10 degree turn, move 10 degree turn. So we are following this same procedure multiple times. So because of that, we'll get to see one circle. So then again in this code, we have added forever loop. Then in forever loop, change pen color by 10 means code for circle. So if I will run this code, so it will take this code in place of code for circle. So here it is drawing one circle, then again moving 50 steps. Okay, see. So it is basically drawing one circle, then moving 50 steps ahead, then again turning 30 degree, and then again drawing uh, drawing one circle, then again moving 50 steps, then turning 30 degree and drawing one circle. So like this, move and draw circle, move and draw circle, move and draw circle, sorry, move, turn, draw circle, move, turn, draw circle. So like this we can draw circles multiple times and make one pattern like this. So that's all for this video. We'll see different ideas in next video.